comes into view as we're finally breaking the chains. When the temperature rises, we'll go to our place in the rain. Take down the pictures and take out the trash. Take up the tattered old rugs. Take up the mattress and count all the cash, and laugh with the last of the drugs. Burn all the papers and burn all the wood. Burn what we can't understand. Run up a flag for the old neighborhood. Sit back and then take my hand. 'Cause it's amazing what lovers can do with just a kiss and a glass of champagne. When the rivers run dry, we can go to our place in the rain. Pay off the piper and pay all the bills. Pay for the getaway car. Blow out the candles and head for the hills. Pray that we make it that far. Run from the poison